Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an event into your calendar on the Google Calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this plus icon that you can find down below in the right side corner of the screen and tap on the last option, event. Now you need to add a title to your event, and then you should select whether it is an all-day activity, or you can also select the exact time, adding the starting and ending time. And you can also change the date. As you can see, if you tap on it, you are ready to select another date. And then you can set the starting time and then the ending. As you can see, you have this more options button. If you tap on it, you are able to change the time zone. If you wish, you can add people to this event by clicking on the add people option, and then you can type in the name or email address of the person that you would like to add to this entry. Then you can also add video conferencing details. You can add your location, select notification. If you tap on it, you can select from times ranging from 10 minutes to 1 week. You will get an email. Then you are also able to add a description, so you need to type in whatever you would like to give. Then you are also ready to add attachments, and you can also tap on this calendar default icon or set it to private or public. So if you are done with all these steps and with these information, all you have to do is clicking on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby saving this event. As you can see, it appeared in your calendar. It has been scheduled to the time you have chosen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.